Hey everyone, so I thought I'll just share how you can use Sentry mode or Dashcam mode in your Tesla. And to use your Dashcam mode or Sentry mode, what you need is a USB adapter, and then you can buy a memory stick. What you're going to do is you're going to stick this into this adapter. There are different kind of adapters, so it depends on which one you buy. And I just bought this one because it's like a small footprint. So you're gonna take the memory stick, plug it into your USB adapter, and then you're gonna stick this in your laptop, and then you're gonna format it. Okay, so I plugged the USB stick in my computer. You're gonna right click on it, and then you're gonna select format. And now one thing I'll say is initially I had the quick format checkbox checked, and Tesla complained about it, that there's some corruption. So what I would recommend is unchecking it and then hit start. This is going to take a while, but I think it's a better way of doing it. So just uncheck that and then hit start and let it do its thing. Once that is done, then you're just going to come back inside that USB drive and we're going to create a new folder. And we're just going to call this folder Tesla Cam. So if I can just type, we'll call it Tesla Cam. Then you're just going to take this USB stick and stick it back in your Tesla. Right, so as you can see, there's nothing displayed on the dashboard or on the screen because no USB is plugged in. So I'm going to take it and shove it in here. Then as soon as do that, you can see the dash cam I guess light came on, or the icon. So let me click on it, and then you can launch the viewer to watch the videos or anything. So there's currently nothing, so nothing will happen. And once Sentry mode is enabled, so the dot here should be actually red color. Currently it's gray, so maybe we need to enable it somehow. Alright, so you just press and hold the dash cam icon, then it's going to turn orange, and that actually shows that it's currently recording. So that's how you enable it. And if I just hold it, it turns off, and then I press and hold it again and turns on.